ngayon naman po, let's go to Ma'am Shi Janela. Sa kanaring Ma'am Shi. Oo. Alam mo, nakaka-relate ako doon sa sinabi ni Sir Raymond, no? Yung, ang babata nakita natin growing up before our eyes, so be careful with my heart. And now, Ma'am Shi na rin, parang we feel so old. But yes, Janela, isa ka rin sa mga tinitingala, especially ng mga new moms out there. So, what advice can you give to new moms?
Wow, advice. Siguro ako kasi as a new mom, marami din pa akong natututunan. And I think that's the best advice I can give siguro, na as much as moms, we love to teach our kids new things, marami silang natututunan from us, I think it's also a learning process for us as well. Because ako, ever since I became a mom, I've learned so many things about myself, about life,